Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to add a database in Lovable. So to add it, you can utilize its native integration with Supabase, a powerful open source backend as a service platform that provides a hosted PostgreSQL database authentication, real-time subscriptions and more. So to do this, you just go into your profile, click on it where your avatar is, then you go into the settings from here. Then you go Supabase on the bottom here, and under organizations we have the connection for Supabase, and this is where we connect. So let's click on this button. And if you're already logged in, you will have an easier time connecting. In my case, as you can see, I'm already logged in. And then here you can read and pretty much understand which permissions the Supabase will have inside of your Lovable. And after that, you choose select the organization to grant API access to. In my case, it's just a default one, and then authorize Lovable. All right, so now it's going to connect and integrate Supabase and a database into your Lovable. As you can see, the connection is successful. Now our database is added, and you're ready to work with Supabase integration, and your database is ready to be used. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.